Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of battlefield intelligence and how AI is powering real-time decision-making. In modern warfare, every second counts. That's why military leaders are turning to AI technology to gain a competitive edge on the battlefield. By utilizing real-time data and advanced algorithms, AI is able to analyze vast amounts of information and provide commanders with crucial insights and recommendations in a fraction of the time it would take a human. But how exactly does AI do this? It all starts with data. AI systems are fed with massive amounts of data from various sources, including drones, satellites, and ground sensors. This data is then processed and analyzed using machine learning algorithms, which can identify patterns and make predictions based on previous data. This allows AI to quickly identify potential threats, track enemy movements, and even make real-time decisions on how to respond to changing situations on the battlefield. One key insight to note is that AI is not meant to replace human decision-making, but rather enhance it. While AI can process data much faster than a human, it still requires human oversight and decision-making. This collaborative approach allows for more informed and effective decision-making, ultimately leading to better outcomes on the battlefield. But AI isn't just limited to the military. Its real-time decision-making capabilities have also proven to be valuable in other industries, such as finance and healthcare. From predicting market trends to assisting doctors with diagnoses, AI is revolutionizing the way we make decisions in high-stakes situations. So what does this mean for the future? As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated systems being implemented in various industries. And for those looking to stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to stay updated and knowledgeable on the latest advancements in AI. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. With our courses on AI and machine learning, you can stay ahead of the game and develop the skills needed to succeed in this rapidly evolving field. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and updates. Thank you for watching.